Okay, in the gross point area, this is the front of the house. Highly likely there's going to be some gaps, openings around that old gas line there. Efflorescence, paint peeling. Again, this is the front. You can see like a step crack that way. Going towards the front porch. In this room, efflorescence, discolorment. The side wall on the outside and on the inside. Well, first of all, here's a step crack, hairline step crack, and then a hairline horizontal crack. Carbon fiber was put on previously, right? Hairline step crack turns into a horizontal going this way as well as this one. Okay. Okie dokie. Night night.